Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. It's Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. TGIF, pandas. TGIF. TGF, pandas. Welcome to the stream. We're back to a modest 4 accounts here. Rough day yesterday. Rough last couple days. I'm not gonna lie, it's been hard on stream. They said the Nascraq was gonna have some good volatility. It just got nasty. Got nasty. By the way, this was the news. Could have passed any account with this news event at 8:30 this morning. I mentioned it at yesterday's stream. We may get some volatility at 11 o'clock, but we'll see. Our next big news event will be CPI on Wednesday. Wednesday is the day, pandas. If you want brand new stinking accounts, Wednesday's the day. You get it. Market's about to open in 3 minutes, pandas. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you're here live, ready to make some bamboo. Are you ready? Daily chart. Maybe break the previous day's low. It's a trap trade on the daily chart. Most likely gonna push down pretty hard. Most likely. I don't know. We may chop around to the election. Ooh, we got a trap trade here. A minute before the open. First break of trend though. Could be trading range as well, right here. I could attempt it, but too close to market open. Darn it! Spiked up too quick on me. I could get in still. H2O, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Lee A, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Oof. Very choppy right now. Pushing up real strong. Very strong. Goodness gracious, pushing up super strong. Okay. Possibly. Trading range. I'm gonna bounce off one more time off the trading range. One more time. Could be a double top reversal here. Could certainly be a double top reversal. It's just right in the middle of the trading range. You want to buy low, sell high right now, in my opinion. In this trade, is it breaking down? Trying to see if we can get a nice little bounce back in this trading range here. Oof. Oof. Alright, my trap triggers and it's reversing right here. Trying to get one bounce off the trading range. Fails, obviously. Starts to break down now with a trap. I try to move it right here because I knew if it triggered this, it would probably flush. Alright, trading range fails. We are trending now, pandas. Don't want to do anything low, like anything short right now. Always feels like I'm playing catch up right now on stream. Are we still in the trading range? Like, should I just forget the fact that we just had this like 40-point drop? Just forget about it. V bottom. V bottom right here. First entry off the 20 EMA here. Looks super sus. Super duper sus. Higher low. Second just short. I guess I'll try. It's a dumb trade, but it wants a push up. It looks like it wants a push up. Okay, that makes it easy for me, right? We get a strong bull bar like that. Easy skip for me. Trap trade to the long side, I'll try. Come back into our trading range here. Triggers. In this trade.
Target filled.
Sure, why not? Sure, why not, pandas? Don't stop the chop, you know what I mean? Can't stop the chop. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. But don't stop the chop. You know what I mean, pandas? That should be my new saying. Once it chops, don't stop. Nah, that doesn't rhyme as well. Don't stop the chop. What is going on right here, pandas? I have no idea. Doesn't want to go down or doesn't want to go up? Oh, it's a little bit bullish here. It's a little bit bullish. Now it looks very bearish. Very bearish. What in the world? I almost want to sell anything, everything right now.
Target filled.
Selling anything, everything. This is Big Mama on the 5-minute chart.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Big Mama on the 500 tick chart. I'm on both. I don't want to extend it though. I don't want to extend it. I'm just gonna take the hit. Okay, I took the hit. It's okay. So pull back a little bit. I'm gonna pull back more than that. Try one more time. Okay, it blows right through my order. There it is. Let's get more. It's chopping around here. Okay, Big Mama's not my friend right now. Big Mama's not my friend right now. Just failed 2 times. Just sit on my paws. It's too choppy right now. Consolidation finish, if anything, right? Sell near the top here. Let's see if we can get some bamboo with some limit orders. This might be it.
10,000 tick trap.
That might be it. Need to get in.
$10,000 tick trap.
Selling the close. Selling the close on the 5-minute. Jeez, what a pullback. What a pullback. I want to sell the close on the 5-minute chart. I mean, this is going to go down. I just need to find entry. Is that it? Pandas, I cannot. How does it take me out by the tick? How does it take me out by the tick? Tick shots me. We need to sell. I just need to sell. I don't care. I just need to sell. Anything, everything. Anything, everything. I just need to sell. I'm just trying to sell. I don't care where it is, what it is. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Good. I just need to get an entry. I just need to sell anything, everything.
Target
It's got
filled.
me out there. I'm gonna sell again. Just absolute breakout mode right now. I'm gonna sell a first entry. Sell the 20 EMA if I can. Sell the 20 EMA if I can. If not, selling the first entry. Selling 20 EMA. I don't care if I get hit here. What is this? What is this? How does it take me up by the tick right here? I wanted that move down. Jeez Louise. These downtrends are just nasty looking. I wanted that big mama here. Took me out like 3-4 times. Double position here. I'm just trying to sell anything and everything. Is V bottoming right now? I don't think it's gonna V bottom. I think it's gonna come. I think it's gonna continue to go down. I think it needs another leg down here. I don't mind trying to take the 20 EMA trade here. First touch of the 20 EMA. Pushing strongly. What in the world, pandas? This is so frustrating. This was the most frustrating one. I mean, we're going up now. Just a super strong reversal. You can't go short in any of this right now. It's impossible. If anything, you should be looking to go long. If anything. This is far away from 20 MA. If I had some sort of support somewhere, I may consider going long here. What in the world, pandas? So frustrating, pandas. Like, took me up by the tick. I was just trying to go short on the super massive breakdown. Retraces back to 20 MA, blows right through it. V bottoms. It's hard to predict V bottoms, not gonna lie. Okay, What's happening here? It's complete consolidation. Second entry long. Clearly above the 20 MA. Still in breakout mode. Okay. Second entry long here perhaps. Do I like it? It's not the best, but I can consider it with a good signal bar. Currently signal bar is, this is your signal bar. Now this is your signal bar. Does trigger. Let's push up maybe. Maybe new high. Typically new high at this situation. Wow. Alright. New high just created. Even though it's by like one tick still. Looking to go. Okay. We're still above the 20 MA. Hard for me to go short here. We're still above the 20 MA. Floating above the 20 MA here. Looks pretty bullish. Looks quite bullish actually.
Target filled.
I don't care if it looks bullish or not, pandas. I'm gonna do what the price action says. Bouncing off the previous day's close or low. Back up. Whoa. That's basically what's the first entry off the 2500 tick 20 EMA. We're in a big trading range in the 2500 tick chart. We may get back to the top of it. We may still try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart, pandas. Right? There's a gap here. Almost filled it but missed. I'm definitely taking the first entry here on the 5-minute chart if I see it. The higher low here. This looks pretty bullish in my opinion right now. This is like a pretty bullish looking situation. Breakdown, breakout. Looks pretty bullish, right? This bear trap here. That this higher low, the nice push up. No follow through whatsoever, so it could just reverse here now, right? You need follow through, even though it looks so bullish. There's no follow through on that. At least for now. If it breaks above here, we may have some follow through. Trading range right now currently. Still trading range. Triggers. The lower high here. Second entry long. Not too shabby. Not too shabby actually. The second entry long is pretty good. Ooh, almost triggers my trap. Almost triggers my trap. This is looking bullish, actually. See how well this trap does. Triggers in a bad. Didn't give me a good entry there. Did not give me a good entry there whatsoever. Let me try to get a little more from this.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Entry was so bad, but break a trend new high. Second entry short also on 2500 tick chart. Second entry short, 2 legs up. A, B, C. All right, we're digging ourselves out, pandas. Hopefully we can just find the right market cycle now. Could be trading range, could be downtrend. I'm thinking downtrend. I'm thinking 5-minute needs follow through on this strong bear bar. We didn't have much follow through. I think we're gonna get one more leg down. At least that's what I'm thinking. But we'll see the price action as it develops. Right? If it starts to push back up, then trading range. Simple as that. People are betting right now is a trading range by buying with limit orders here. First entry on the 5-minute chart does trigger. I do like that trade, actually. I was not thinking about it, but after seeing it triggers with the signal bar, right? The 5-minute, the signal bar looked like this. I like that first entry, actually. 20 EMA here. Still technically in trading range here. We can pop back up here. Another low or another push down. Right, lower highs. Just waiting patiently for something obvious. Okay. Maybe a second just short here. Yeah, breaks down without giving me a setup. Just all first entries right now. But it's not the, I don't know. Maybe something like this. Respecting this channel right now. I could do something cheeky. If you want me to be cheeky, I can be. Pushes down, bottom of the channel here now. Still trying to be cheeky here with this limit order. Okay. Just scalping with limit orders here. Try to be cheeky. Looks like it's gonna fail. My cheekiness slaps me in the cheek. What in the world? Okay. Touch off the 20 EMA. Also makes sense. Several touches off this channel here. First entry off the 20 EMA, do I want it? Not with that signal bar. Not with this signal bar, no sir. Maybe with, no. This is your signal bar right now. It could push down, but you're risking against this bar. I don't know about that. Best to wait for a second, just short. New low? Looking for new low already? Yeah, it's just hard to enter this. Very hard to enter there, in my opinion. Yes. If you want to make first entries, the only entries that work here, I'll try. I shall try. First entries only. First entries only making money today. All first entries down. Even this is a first even this is a first entry, lower high first entry. Right beneath this pivot high. I'm thinking we're gonna test. I'll get back to the bottom here. Alright. When I enter the first entry, does it fail? Yeah, it fails when I enter in. Right, continuing this pattern, fails when I try. Makes sense. Makes complete sense right now. Everything's making sense. Of course. Of course. Tap off the 20 EMA. What do I have to lose, pandas? What? Wow. I mean, at the end, all of this is a good retracement. I'll take it. Still trying to get back down to here. Still a good retracement, in my opinion. Drastically reduce the risk, but your target's still the same. Drastically reduce the risk, but lessen your probabilities as well. So that's the price you pay. That's the price you're paying with the retracement. It does trigger maybe a second entry short here. Of course, I like the second entry short here as well. Of course. If we could trigger. Do I want a double position? Why not?
$10,000 tick trap.
The target to me is obvious, like retest the low here.
$10,000 tick trap.
So it seems to be the obvious target here. Maybe not so obvious. V bottoms right now. Just holding on to my original stop losses. I was willing to take the hits on them anyways. But that's vicious right here. That's really vicious. Oh, that's vicious, man. That's vicious. Pandas, this is painful. There's some vicious price action right now. Very vicious. Very vicious. Jeez Louise. I tried, pandas. I'm trying. The market's not going in my favor here at all. It completely breaks my neck here before hitting the obvious targets here. Lower high, I'll try. Lower high, I'll try one more time. Lower high, I'll try. Micro double top instead. Micro double top instead doesn't give me my entry. I wanted the lower high. Instead, micro double tops and goes without me. Okay, cool. It's just vicious. Vicious market. Like, I knew exactly where it was gonna go. It just does one more spike up before it really wants to go the direction I want it to go. It's like this is one of the days where timing's all off. Like you know exactly what's gonna happen, but the market is not being kind to my setups. Right? The whole point of the setup, waiting for the setup, is to time the market better. But when your setups, even if you're waiting for your setups, still fails, what else can you do, pandas? Seriously, what else can you do? You just gotta take it on the chin, pandas. You gotta take it on the chin. It is what it is. Take it on the chin. Jeez, I mean that spike up is so frustrating. This spike up is so unnecessary. Spikes up and it comes right back down. Now I'm all messed up. Mental capital. I mean, I know I should just be selling anything, everything. I'm all messed up mental capital wise. It's gonna be hard for me to do the obvious things, which is just sell here anywhere on a breakdown. Sell anywhere, everywhere. The moment you enter, you're a little too late. Takes you out. Okay. Can't go on momentum. Can't do anything right now, pandas. Truly cannot do anything. Can't do anything. Whew. The moment I enter, I'm just like a little too late. A little too slow here. Pushes way up. Pushes way up here. What in the world? Might as well try the 20 EMA bounce. Might as well try, pandas. I need something. I just need something, pandas. Give me a little boost in the right direction. Give me a little boost in the right direction, please. Just need something here. Just need a little something, pandas. Just a little boost in the right direction. I can't get anything, pandas. I can't get anything today. Whoo! Just a little boost in the right direction. I think I'm gonna bust these accounts. I got a couple more trades in me. Trying to get in with the breakdown, couldn't get in. Reverses the moment I enter. And reverses, try to get back at the 20 EMA. Breaks to the 20 EMA. So unnecessary. Pandas. I mean, oh my goodness, pandas. Is there anything more frustrating? I'm going short. I don't even care. I'm still going short here. That's a bar reversal. Don't love that. Don't love that. Don't like that at all. Still looking for something here. In this trade. I mean, pandas. Whoo! V bottoms here. I got one more trade in me, I think. I got one more trade in me, pandas. These counts are gone. Jeez. What a day, pandas. What a day. Every trade, I'm going with trend and everything, and this just keeps spiking me out. How so frustrating, pandas. Every time I try to enter in, does a pullback, takes me out. V bottoms takes me out. Pandas. What in the world? Trading range starts to develop here. Guess I want to go short, but I don't know. I don't know what my entry is. A lower high. I tried to wait for a lower high here. Went without me. Right, this lower high, I tried to let it pierce above so I can create the lower high. Never broke above the previous candle's high. Micro double top instead. It wasn't good enough for me. That's what I wanted. So I waited for it. Didn't get it. High or low here? I don't know, pandas. I don't know what's going on right here. Jeez, so frustrating. Yeah, I know. You try to go with the trend. You try to go with the trend. This looks so nasty. This like move upwards is so disgusting looking to me. The fact that it's so choppy like this, it's just incredibly like painful to look at. Trap trade. Am I looking for a reversal here? Not really. Not really. I'm not looking for a long here. I'll take a lower high. Is this the trade I want to take? The last trade of them all? Trading range, looks like. Rough, pandas, is rough. Okay, push up. Very strong push up. No entries. If I were to try to capture that, I don't know if I could. Second entry short, 2500 tick chart. And it's off a nice trend line currently. Unfortunate right now. This signal bar is this. Just be patient. Just what in the world, pandas? I try to trade the momentum. I try to trade the value. Couldn't do either. It's pushing down. Second entry short triggers on the 2500 tick chart. I'll take a lower high here, confirming that if we can get one. All right. Lower high here. I mean, should I try? Should I even try?
10,000 tick trap.
Oh, trap triggers on the 10,000 or 2500 tick chart instead. I think I'm gonna keep it down here though. I don't think I like that trap. The trap's right into the trend line. Unless we get a trap here, that'd be very tempting then to go long. If we get a double trap here. Like if this goes shoots upwards. Jeez, that'd be hard to skip. Nah, I'm sticking with this one. In this trade.
Target
all right.
filled.
I just need a little buffer, pandas. I just need a little buffer right there. So I didn't want to take a chance and extend that target. I just need a little buffer here. Okay, we're back to like 3 more trades. We got 3 more lives left. I just need a little buffer, pans, just a little bit. Oof. Setting my pause. I think this is gonna keep pushing down, but darn it. It's just very hard to enter that, in my opinion. That trade basically was a second entry short on the 2500 tick chart and a failed trap. Spike channel perhaps. Very, very tight channel, so it's gonna be hard to enter in unless you just sell like right here. I'll try. See what happens. Doesn't quite fill me. Doesn't quite fill me yet. Still doesn't quite fill me. Fills me now. Guess looking for a new low. I guess. Starting to show trappy or choppy behavior. It does trigger the new leg down, but not a new low. Not yet, at least. I think it can get it.
Target filled.
Okay. Pandas, we're getting a little buffer back. Pandas. I mean, is this it? Is this every stream is going to be like this? Where I'm down about $1,000 to $2,000, I come up break even at the end of the day because of finally the market cycle starts to behave. What in the world, pandas? What do I do? Are we? Is this story gonna repeat every day? It's mentally and emotionally exhausting, pandas. It is just so exhausting. I'm doing the down 2,000 break even challenge every single day of my life. Goodness gracious. I shouldn't trade for the the first 30 minutes of the day, I should just not even trade. Because the first 30 minutes have been just absolutely destroying me. It's always the second half that is always like much better, where the market cycle is way more clear. We break the low here, bounce off of it. Might be a double bottom of some sort. I don't care. I'm going short. I want a decent signal bar though. Like that. It's not. Okay. This one's better. Nah. Terrible signal bar. Double bottom right now. This could push back up. We could have a trading range here developing. Wouldn't be surprised. Alright, this is like second inch short. Signal bar is not the best. Plus is above the 20 MA. I mean, we can get a little spike up here. A little bit reversal, a small reversal here if it does come up to retest these pivot highs here. Right, basically the previous low as well, right? That's what this line was. That's the low before it broke. I'll try just a scalp here. I don't think it's gonna do much, but maybe enough for a scalp. Just a teeny bitty scalp, itty bitty little scalp here. That's all I'm looking for, just because of double bottom. Right, clearly double bottom here. Okay. Or not. Or not. I don't know. Do I still want it? Sure, let's try. What's the worst that could happen, pandas? What's the worst that I get a little boo-boo? Let's get a little boo-boo. That's the worst that can happen.
Target filled.
Pandas! This is it! Is it gonna be 3 days in a row where I literally am down 1,000 to 2,000 and I just end the day break even? Is it gonna be 3 days in a row of doing this? It is mentally and emotionally exhausting, pandas. It's just absolutely killing me. But can we do it again? I've done it before many times. It's getting very choppy here. Almost want to buy down here at this point. Almost want to buy because it's getting very choppy, but I think the bias is still bearish. I could go for the trap here, but it's very choppy, right? Like, you look to the left of the screen, left of the chart. It just looks very choppy right now. So like, if you're trading here, if you're trying to go short here, you're thinking breakdown, right? You're thinking this is going to push down very hard. That's what you're thinking if you go short here. I just don't see it. I don't see it. I don't know, pandas. It's very confusing. It's a trap trade. Ugly signal bar. It could be bamboo. I'm gonna skip it though, just because I'm looking at the market cycle right now. It's turning into a limit order market very clearly. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. Okay. It fails. That trap does end up failing. We're gonna push hard up. I don't know. Are we? How do I know? How will I know? Okay, second just short now. Another trap about to trigger here, maybe. The second inch is short. It's actually a little more enticing to take, in my opinion. Right here. It's like a triangle forming here. Outside bar reversal, not interested. Could spike up a little bit here though. I can easily imagine that. Okay, let's push up. Spikes up a little bit here. Is it a full-blown reversal is the question. Let me do have a double bottom situation, and this is a second attempt of a reversal up, but it's choppy. Market cycle is limit order market cycle currently. If I were to go short, it would have to be like up here somewhere. But at this point, I'd rather just let it touch and then I'll take the reversal down. There's enough room to come back down if it does. Touches it. Okay. It's a pretty terrible signal bar. Doesn't quite touch it actually, right? It needs to touch it. One tick away from touching it actually. Actually, no, it does touch it. Darn. It's your signal bar. I gotta make this very precise. Like, very insanely precise. It actually does not touch it. It does not touch it, but it bounces off it anyways. Trading range. Price action here. Main convention says I should buy here. Okay. Okay. Just waiting. Wow. I don't know. Did anyone watch that Linkin Park thing with the chick singing? What? What does that mean? What does that even mean? I'm thinking about a lower high right now, pandas. Is it too soon? A lower high? The new lead singer for Linkin Park is still a band? I had no idea. I think my favorite Linkin Park song was with Jay-Z. Oh, very confusing. I mean, higher lows now. Could try to use a trading range on the 500 tick chart. This could be reliable actually. This trading range on the 500 tick. Big bear bar, but doesn't mean much to me. Doesn't mean much to me. Not when it's this choppy. Right now, right? Big bear bars don't mean much. Like, big bear bars here mean a lot. I just want to go short. And I get burned a bajillion times. Okay, we end up getting back to the bottom of the trading range. The question is, are we done with the trading range? Do I want to bet on a breakdown here? Wow. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be late to this again, aren't I? I'll just wait for the first entry. Whatever. That's a bar reversal. Can't. Selling anything, everything. Selling anything, everything right now.
Target filled.
Selling anything, everything. Entering every first entry until it stops working. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Whoa. Alright, gave me a very good entry. I'll take it. Whoa. That was weird. Give me a very good entry. I'll take it. What in the world?
Target filled.
Give me, I mean, it was just lagging. That's why. What in the world was that? I'm still in payout city. Like, I got paid out, right? They take the money out. They took the money out. Like, I didn't trade the accounts until they took the money out. So the payouts are secured. It's just but those accounts are gone. Got busted. Again, trying to just enter in any reason to go short. This does take me out though. It's okay. Bears are having a hard time making money now. Very interesting. What about limit order bears? Are we having a hard time making money here? Might as well wait till the 20 EMA test. Might as well wait till 20 EMA test. I will attempt a second entry short here if it does trigger. It does trigger here. Momentum's so strong, I'm just taking second entry short anywhere. If it takes me out, it takes me out, but I gotta try, keep going short here on this super strong downtrend while I have opportunity. I almost want to raise this up here, but I have more reward now. I'm doing like a swing trade here. Oh, more reward. It's only 10 points. I want more than that. Lower high, I'll take it. like it won't give it to me.
Target filled.
I'll take that. Is that 2 to 1? Yeah, 2 to 1. Not the worst trade. It got very choppy going down. That's why maybe I just wanted to get out. But 5-minute chart is always in short. So, still trying to look for shorts here, pandas. Your 5-minute chart is always in short. And it's a very strong always in short. Just want a better entry than this. I guess something like this. That's what's happening right now. Okay. Okay. Limit order market. Do I just want to keep going first entries? Oh, too late now. I mean, I guess 20 EMA. Why not? For the 500th try, 20 EMA bounce. Can we get one time? For the 500th millionth time, the 20 EMA bounce. That's all I'm looking for. Is that possible? From the looks of it, it does not look possible. I cannot make money off a bounce off the 20 EMA on a strong downtrend. It just doesn't exist, pandas. Like, look at this huge move down. It doesn't touch a 20 EMA for like 500 candles. The first touch, it just breaks through it every time. Every time. First touch breaks through it every single time. Pandas. Just doesn't work. I'm trying. I'm really trying. Big push down. I'll check out the Lincoln Park thing. I had no idea they even still existed. Just listening to her gives you a sore throat. We're almost there, pandas. I think we can get there next trade. A lower high, I'm interested. If we can get one. I'll try a lower high here. It's a very bearish looking situation. Let's push down. Okay. What's my entry here though, pandas? Really, what's my entry here? What am I looking for? Whew, interesting. Pops up like crazy. Baby risk here. Let's go for 10 points still. It's a baby risk, but let's go for 10 points still.
Target filled.
That was a really good risk reward. Goodness gracious. Baby risk, but 10 points. I'll take it. I guess. I don't know, pandas. What do I do? What do we do here? Okay. Still always in short on the 5-minute chart, pandas. I can't find an entry though. It's very difficult. I mean, I've tried to do limit order stuff here. I can try, but no promises, pandas. No promises here. I'm trying to go limit order trading. That's what it seems like we're getting right now. Limit orders to the downside.
Target filled.
Pandas, do you feel it? Negative $2,000. I was literally one trade away from busting these accounts. Can we call this the greatest comeback of all time, pandas? Can we call that? Can we call it right now? Goodness gracious, pandas, do you feel it? Do you believe? Do you believe? All right, I'm gonna look for a trap trade here. Just because this already broke through 20 EMA, I feel like if it tests the 20 EMA again and it breaks through with a trap, might be a decent move up. I mean, it's such a strong downtrend. Do I really want to short anything right now?
10,000 tick
I really
trap.
shouldn't. First entry still working nice. Pandas, the secret is I should only trade the second half of the trading day. That's the secret. I'll be up $2,000 if I did that. Oh my goodness gracious, pandas. I mean, should I try the 20 EMA trade one more time? One more time. Who knew I was gonna sing that? Well, when I said one more time, who knew it? It's like I just short. It's very tempting to pass this. Skip this one. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Oh, this is so choppy. This is a dumb trade, pandas. This is so choppy, so apparently limit order trading. So apparent. Can anything be more obvious? Decent push up above the 20 MA. Very decent push up above the 20 MA. Super duper push up above the 20 MA. Obviously, I can't go short here. Potentially take a trap, but I doubt it'll give me a chance. Okay, it gives me a chance. One last trade to rule them all, pandas. One last trade to rule them all. In this trade. And it reverses instantly on me. I thought the second attempt, right? It fails the first time. I thought the second attempt would be better, but it's proving to be very, very not the better. Very, a lot less better. Very worse. So much worse. That's not good at all, pandas. Almost want to reverse my trade at this point. Yikes. It is what it is, though. Woo! What?
Target.
Okay.
filled.
Oh, pandas. Weird things were happening. Coming out break even on that trade. I did not. The fact that I was even got a chance to come out break even. I'm thankful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. What in the world? Thank you, Jesus. Wow. Miracle still exists. I'm glad I got out of that trade. I'm really glad I got out of that trade. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That was close, Pandas. That was a close one. Hugh says, I'm impressed that you're able to come back. He's impressed that I was unfazed. Was I unfazed? I mean, I was pretty much this full-blown tilted. Pretty much full-blown tilted. Okay. Pushing down hard now. Just a small pullback here on the super strong downtrend. Starting to let up though, right? Starting to let up a little bit, this downtrend. So now we may have to enter a little bit higher. Like if this was a channel, like a little bit higher in the channel before going short, so trying to get into momentum here. Or go full-blown momentum, who knows, Pandas. Okay. Don't know. I don't know if I want to go short here. FOMC speaker. It's not really FOMC, but FOMC member Waller speaks. Who even know who even knows who that is? Who's Waller? I don't know Waller. I don't even know one name. His name is Jerome Powell. Jerome Skis. You got a lower high here. Lower high. It's gonna be tough to enter short. Again, trading range like a channel, tight channel here. You would have to come with a limit order somewhere, in my opinion. Wow. Okay. Breakdown. No follow through. But we're like in a strong bear trend, so okay, let's pull back. I don't know how to enter this. I don't know how to enter this, Pandas. I don't know how to enter this. I mean, first entries, outside bar reversal, yuck. Does it trigger the outside bar trap here? How do I enter this, Pandas? I do not know. The candles are teeny weeny right now. These candles are teeny like my weenie. What? What? What just happened? Did you guys hear something? Oh. Whoa. First entry, is that what I want? I mean, how many times can this fail, Pandas? Truly, how many times can this setup fail? The 20 EMA bounce, like, it has to work at least once, even just by pure luck. No? Is that not a thing? I mean, it has to work at least once. Hate to see that. Hate to see that. Outside bar reversal. I may just sell on the close of the 5 minute though. Just because I just want to entry somewhere. I may just sell at the close. Yep. If it takes me out, it takes me out. It takes me out immediately. Just sold at the close of the 5 minute. One more try. One more try here. I mean, it has to work at least once, right, pandas? It has to work at least once, right, pandas? Like, at least once it has to work, right? I mean, it has to work at least once. Just a bounce off the 20 EMA here on a downtrend. Super strong downtrend. First entry triggers. Still want my 20 EMA bounce here. Could be the entry you're looking for here. Okay, still a first entry. Pretty bearish, if I don't say so myself. Oh, micro double top. What is happening here, pandas? Okay. It has to work at least once, right, pandas? A 20 EMA bounce. Like, it has to work out at least one time in my life.
Target.
Pandas. There is our 20 EMA bounce. We're looking for more. We're going to try and make a new low here with a runner. Let's see if we get the runner here, pandas. A little bit more.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Target filled.
Not only did we make a comeback, but we are actually green today, pandas. Can you call that the greatest comeback of all time? I mean, that's better than New England Patriots beating the Atlanta Falcons. Pandas. This is better than World War II comeback of the century. Is it actually, pandas? This has to be recorded. Like, someone needs to make a documentary on this. Like, what you guys just witnessed was a miracle. I literally was one trade away from busting these accounts. And now we're green. We're actually green. Because of my favorite setup, the bounce off the 20 EMA. The bounce off the 20 EMA has burned me so many times. But when it counted, it worked out, pandas. When it counted, it worked. Whoo! Pandas. Is it actually possible that what you guys just witnessed was a miracle? Is it actually possible? Goodness gracious. Pandas! Mentally, every single day this week has been negative 2,000, coming back break even. Negative 1,000, coming back break even. Negative 2,000, coming back break Pandas. I mean, if you want to be emotionally exhausted while trading, just follow my strategy. It's that simple. Goodness gracious. I mean, how many times did I get burned in the beginning? It just broke my neck so many times. Just trying to get in short so many times on strong pushes down. It's just too late. Too late in the move down, huh? When the FOMO starts to kick in, that means you're too late. I feel like. You gotta just do it. You gotta just do it when you just have the inkling, I guess. Worst trading advice ever, but that's what seems like to be working right now in this market. This is some nasty price action currently, pandas. What in the world is happening? Alright, pandas. All of that work for $145, pandas. I mean, that's a nice dinner. Across 4 accounts, that's a nice little dinner. I mean, I thought these accounts were done. I was literally 1 trade away from busting the accounts. I can't believe, like, you guys saw, if you guys rewind, you can literally see I had like $200 threshold. And if you know, like, my threshold basically is, like, every trade I take, the amount of risk I take is about $200. What just happened, pandas? I can't believe it. I mean, happening once, okay, I get it. Happening twice, alright, that's a little suspicious. Happening thrice? I mean, you gotta say I'm doing it on purpose at this point, huh? Goodness gracious, pandas. Don't forget to use code BBM for 80% off Apex. $50 for the higher accounts, 150k accounts, 250k accounts, and 300k accounts. And pandas, which nice. What is really nice is that it's only $35 resets for the evals. $35 resets. It's really nice. Alright, pandas. I mean, that's it for me. Have an amazing rest of your day and an amazing weekend, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, where we'll do this all over again, lose $2,000, and then come back break even. What a move down, though, pandas. Look at this. Goodness gracious, look at this move down. I mean, it happened with the daily chart trap, right? This trap trade, when it triggered, I felt like we're going to move down really strong, and that's what's happening right now. The trap. The weekly is not looking good either. Right? We broke above the 20 MA, but bring it back down again. Wow, we haven't seen a gap. Wow, all right. It's been a while since we've seen a gap underneath the 20 MA. This gap here, there's space between the top of the candles and the 20 MA. The gap here, this is the last time we saw a gap before this gap. Last time, like on a big strong move up. Big strong move up, right? No gaps, no 20 EMA gaps. And then finally we get a gap here. And then that gap was all it needed just to break down. Here, we have a gap, and then push up, and then basically a bull trap. And then remember, today is Friday, so this candle is going to end on today. And if it looks like this looks very bearish to me. Looks very bearish. Pandas, have an amazing rest of your week. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday at 9 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, as always. Pandas, trade safe. Happy trading. God bless.